Meaning of Grasmere.
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 Grasmere. Grasmere is a small village located in the Lake District region of England. The name Grasmere is believed to have originated from the Old Norse language, meaning grass lake. The village is well known for its stunning natural beauty and its association with the poet William Wordsworth. Wordsworth lived in Grasmere for many years and is buried there along with his family. Today, Grasmere is a popular tourist destination with visitors flocking to the area to explore the beautiful countryside and learn more about Wordsworth's life and work.